Hey gorgeous and beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel. This outfit concept focuses on creating a refined and commanding presence suitable for luxury hotel lobby setting where elegance, structure and suitable confidence play a defining role in overall appearance. The combination of these high boot with a structure rather introduce a powerful balance introduce between bold footwear and tie-rod upper body styling, resulting in a look that feels both modern and composed. For older women, the emphasis should remain on controlled sophistication, ensuring that bold elements are integrated thoughtfully rather than appearing excessive. A luxury hotel environment naturally demand polished styling that feel intentional and well coordinated. This outfit achieved that by combining strong silhouette with clean layer technique. The structure rather adds authority while the boot contribute a contemporary edge. Together they create a successive and visually striking appearance. This approach allows for confidence expression within a refined setting. The structure rather serves as the foundation of the outfit, providing shape, defining and a sense of tailored elegance that anchor the entire look. A well-fitted blazer with clean lines and subtly shoulder structure help enhance posture and create a confident silhouette. Natural tones such as black, beige, or deep navy work par- particularly well in luxury environment. The fabric should be has enough well styling allow comfortable movement. A slightly longer blazer length can add sophistication and balance. The height of the boot, minimal detailing ensure the outfit remain elegant and uncluttered. The blazer should feel sharp but not restrictive. This establishes a strong and polished base. This high boot act as a statement elegant of the outfit, introducing height, elongation, and a bold yet controlled visually impact. Choosing boot with a sleek and fit design ensure that they complement the railroad rather than competing with it. Materials such as smooth leather or soft suede can be selected depending on the desired finish. Dark shadows like black, deep brown help maintain refined and excessive look. Heel height should be moderate and comfortable to sport. Thanks for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye. Subscribe to my channel for more fashion videos. Till then, bye bye. Take care.